is Alan Hardianto, and I'm here to talk about the 5G. First, what is the 5G? 5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machine, object, and device. 5G wireless technology that mean to deliver higher multi-GPS, Gbps, peak data speeds, ultra low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and a more user experience to more users. Higher performance and improved efficiency empower new user experience and connects new industries. Well, just by its name, 5G is the next generation of 4G, which means it must be better than 4G. So what makes 5G better than its previous generation? First, 1G was analog cellular. 2G technology such as CDMA, GSM, and TDMA were the first generation of digital cellular technologies. 3G technology such as EVDO, HSPA, and UMTS broke speeds from 200 kilobytes per second to a few megabytes per second. 4G technologies such as WiMAX and LTE were the next incompatible leap forward, and they are now scaling up to 100 megabyte and even gigabyte level speed. 5G brings three new aspects to the table: bigger channel to speed up data, lower latency to more responsive, and the ability to connect a lot more devices at once for sensor and smart device. 5G has significant upgrade from its previous generation. 5G is much more faster than 4G, while 4G only has 49 to 50 Mbps. 5G has 100 times more faster than that, which means it can have speed up to 10 Gbps. With the speed that 5G has, we don't need to worry about some laggy, like buffering. We also don't need to let our computer stay while we sleep when we downloading a 10 gigabyte, because it will be finished only in moments. Other than that, what makes 5G better than 4G is because 5G has more capacity than 4G. 5G will deliver up to 1000 times more capacity than 4G. It will creating a fertile ground for IoT development. 5G and IoT are a perfect match, set to redefine our wireless network and the internet as a whole for our use, with capacity for hundreds or thousands devices, seamlessly communicating new applications and use cases for city, factories, farm, school, and home will flourish. 5G also has significant lower latency than 4G. 5G has significantly lower latency to deliver more instantaneous real-time access, a 10 times decrease in end-to-end latency down to 1 ns. 5G latency will be faster than human visual processing, making it possible to control device remotely in near real time. Human reaction speed will become the limiting factor for remote applications that use 5G and IoT, and many new applications will involve machine-to-machine communication that isn't limited how quickly humans can respond. With all of that advantage, of course, 5G can allow us to do something more with more than 4G. For the example is self-driving car. 5G has speed that enough transfer data to control self-driving car, and with that, the car will communicate to control center or communicate with other car. Another example is telemedicine. With 5G, telemedicine can be possible. The lake that has 5G is only a while, and thanks for that, doctor can be possible to help his patient from distance. Doctor can be surgeon by using a VR headset and special glue to control a robot arm that will perform an actual operation in another location. The 5G will enable doctor to transfer his expert over a great distance in real time using a robot and haptic feedback. And the last example is teleconference. 5G allows us to do some conference with someone that far from us. Not only with a video, we can talk to them like they are in front of us. It can be possible using virtual reality. or using augmented reality. And with the speed that 5G has, it can be done as real as it can. The combination of high speed and minimal lag is perfect for virtual reality or augmented reality applications, which are likely to explode in popularity as connectivity improvement create a more seamless, immersive experience. So that's why people say 5G can change the world. As 5G continue to expand, people are going to feel the impact of the 5G revolution, designed to have a faster speed, larger capacity, and reduced latency. 5G is expected to be the key for innovation in tomorrow's future. In particular, increased speeds can open new opportunity in public safety and business. 5G is an investment for the next decade and previous mobile transition. We've seen most of the big changes happening years after the first announcement. Take 4G for example. The first 4G phones in the US appeared in 2010, but the 4G application that changed our world didn't appear until later. Snapchat came in 2012, and Uber became widespread in 2013. Video call over LTE network also became a big in US around 2013. By seeing all of that, when 5G already start right now, the impact of it will be appear in tomorrow or later. So that's all for me. Thank you very much.